Watch full episodes of JoJo and Gran Gran on the BBC iPlayer app right now.
That gives me an idea for a Gran Gran plan. We can prepare our bananas a little differently too. And make green banana and saltfish for dinner instead.
Yay! What's green banana and saltfish?
It's a St. Lucian classic. It's not sweet, but you'll love it, Jojo. So will Jared. See you later.
Bye, Great-Gran Gran.
Bye, Mama. Let's wash our hands and get started. Vegetables, saltfish, green bananas. Perfect.
I can't wait to try a green banana and saltfish. What do you think Jared is bringing?
Oh, I'm sure that whatever it is, it will be delicious. Although now that we don't have banana bread, I'm not sure what we'll have for dessert.
Jared!
Every episode of JoJo and Gran Gran is on the BBC iPlayer app. It's super simple. Just ask your grown-up to get the app and search JoJo and Gran Gran.